Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to change fonts on your Lovable website, headings, paragraphs, buttons, or your entire site typography, this guide is for you. In Lovable Website Editor 2026, font control is split between global typography and element level overrides. And sometimes templates presets, which can make things confusing. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to change fonts in Lovable 2026 like a pro. So there are some common font issues users face, like font change doesn't apply everywhere, headings change but paragraphs don't, button font won't update, mobile font looks different, or font resets after publishing, or template overrides your font choice. Okay, so first thing first, log into your Lovable account, select your website. Okay, should have a website beforehand. Okay, so click edit website or open editor. Okay, and make sure you are inside the visual editor, not preview mode. Okay, so this is the correct and recommended way to change font site wide. Okay, so go to site settings. Okay, like so let's suppose that this is a website. So site settings, typography, fonts, and then global styles. Here you can set headings, fonts, body and paragraph fonts, button fonts, font sizes, line heights, letter spacing. So global fonts apply automatically across most pages. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.